Is your Apple AirTag not connecting to your iPhone? Whether your AirTag won't pair, it's not showing up in Find My, or gets stuck during setup, this video will walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. By the end, your AirTag should be connected and working properly. Here the first fix is move AirTag closer to your iPhone. For this, place the AirTag within a few inches of your iPhone. AirTag use Bluetooth for initial setup. Second fix is turn Bluetooth on. Go to settings, choose Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Third fix is enable Find My. Then go to settings, choose Apple ID and choose Find My. Turn on Find My iPhone, Find My network. Fourth fix is restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary software glitches. After restarting, try pairing the AirTag again. Fifth fix is check the AirTag battery. If the AirTag doesn't make a sound when pressed or is not detected, remove the battery cover. Check that battery is installed correctly. Replace it with a new battery if needed. Sixth fix is update iOS. Go to settings, choose general, choose software update, install any available updates. Seventh fix is remove and reinsert the battery. Take the battery out, wait 30 seconds, insert it again. You should hear a startup sound. Eighth fix is reset the AirTag. Remove and reinstall the battery 5 times. Press until you hear a sound each time. On the fifth insertion, you will hear a different tone indicating the AirTag has been reset. Ninth fix is sign out and back into Apple ID. Go to settings, choose Apple ID, sign out, restart your iPhone, then sign in back in. Next one is check if AirTag linked to another Apple ID. If the AirTag was previously owned by someone else, it must be removed from their Apple ID before it can be paired with yours. The final tip is if your AirTag still won't connect after trying all these fixes, test it with the another compatible iPhone. If it is still is not detected, the AirTag may have a hardware issue and should be serviced or replaced.